One sunny afternoon, little Tim was wandering in the garden, looking for something to do. Suddenly, he saw Aunt Petunia, his favorite aunt, hoeing the soil. "Hello, Aunt Petunia," said little Tim, running towards her. "What are you doing?" "I'm planting flowers, Timmy," said Aunt Petunia, smiling. "Would you like to help?" "Yes, please," replied little Tim, his eyes sparkling with excitement. Together, they planted pretty daisies, vibrant roses, and colorful sunflowers. They laughed and talked, enjoying their time together. "Aunt Petunia, can you tell me a secret?" asked little Tim, as they took a break. "Of course, Timmy," said Aunt Petunia, patting his shoulder. "I'll tell you a secret about the garden." "The garden is like a magic world," she explained. "Every seed we plant is a promise of beauty, and every flower we water is a wish for happiness." Little Tim looked at the flowers, understanding the magic in Aunt Petunia's words. He felt a warm feeling in his heart. "Thank you, Aunt Petunia," he said, hugging her. "I love you." Aunt Petunia hugged him back, her eyes glistening with love. "I love you too, Timmy," she said, smiling. As the sun began to set, little Tim and Aunt Petunia walked back to the house, holding hands. They talked about the beautiful flowers they planted and the magic garden Aunt Petunia shared with him. That night, little Tim fell asleep with a smile on his face, dreaming of the magic garden Aunt Petunia created with him. He knew he would always cherish the time spent with his dear aunt, and the magic she shared with him.